Hello and welcome to the tutorial video on how to make automatic opening doors in Minecraft. So I have the doors here. Just to show you how they work, you step on the pressure plate and it will open them up. And you step off and it closes. So these types of doors are powered using redstone circuits. So here are I am in creative mode. I'm going to go to my menu and I'm going to get the following items. I need redstone torches. I need to get some glass panes. I need to get some sticky pistons. I need to get some pressure pads. And the last thing I need to get is some whatever building material I'll be using to match my building. So if I look at my building over here, you can see the flooring matches the walls. That's because it's all made out of quartz. So I just used a quartz block for this. So I'll just, for the purposes of picking something, I'll use the quartz blocks here. So the first step is you're going to dig out a 2 block by 3 block rectangle that is 2 blocks deep. 1, 2 by 1, 2, 3. There's my rectangle. That's 1 block deep. I'm going to dig it again to make it 2 blocks deep. And it looks like I accidentally dug out something else, so I'll just go ahead and fill that. I'll fill it with grass. So the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to dig out, so I find my middle block of my rectangle, and I'm going to dig out 3 blocks to the side. So that's 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side, 1, 2, 3. Now the first 2 blocks, I'm going to dig down another block deep, but those are 2 blocks deep. I'm going to fill, and if I get an aerial view of this, here's what it looks like. It looks like a letter T. And then I have an extra block at the top and bottom that's only 1 block deep. Or if I look at it from the side, that's what it looks like. So now I'm going to fill any part that is 2 blocks deep with the redstone. So the redstone is what's going to power all the blocks above it. It's a circuit. And then we need something to provide constant energy to the redstone so it always works. So we're going to use a redstone torch. I'm going to put it on each of the blocks at the end that is only 1 block deep. So now no matter what, even if it's covered, the redstone torch will always provide energy to this redstone, which controls all the blocks above it. So I'm going to go ahead and cover with my material block, whichever one I chose. And then I'm going to put the blocks on top of the torch so that it's 1 above the ground. My next step is I'm going to take my sticky piston. I'm going to put 1 on each side. So there's 1, there's the other. And as you can see, they've already been pushed out because they're being powered by the torch. If I put another one on top of them, there's nothing powering it yet. So what I do is I take my redstone, I'm going to put it on the blocks that are above the torch because it's going to get powered by that torch. And then you can see my sticky piston gets pushed out. Powered by the torch, pushed out. My next step is going to be filling this with glass. You really could use any material you want. I just like using glass because they're sliding glass doors. I'm going to go ahead and fill those up. And then to finish it up, I'm going to put pressure plates in front of the door. When you step on it, it opens. And on the other side, I'll do the same thing so that it's a 2-direction door. Okay. Now, if I wanted it to be a kind of one-way event, like once someone was in, I didn't want them exiting that way, I could just remove these pressure pads. That would be used like in the event of like there's an entrance door and an exit door, but that is up to you.